Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and solve some important questions, discuss a very important chapter of your syllabus which is algebraic expressions and identities. And in previous class we take and solve a very important chapter, very important topic of that chapter like addition, subtraction, multiplications of the algebraic expressions. Okay. Now, dear students, in today's class, we also take and solve some important questions based on the same topic. So let's see a very important question. So first of we take the first question. We find the product. Your question is find the product, and the expression is 2 by 3 xy into minus 9 upon 10 x square y square, minus 9 upon 10 x square y square. This is the very important concept questions. Now let's see the solution. Dear son, we just multiply the given expression. So look, we have 2 by 3 xy into minus 9 by 8 into x square y square. So first of all, we collecting the like terms, means constant take together. So we write minus 2 by 3 into 9 by 10 into this is x into x square and y into y square. We can write in this way. Now you know that all the important laws of exponents. So we adding their powers, and here look, this is 3 3 the 9, 2 5 the 10. So we have minus 3 upon 5, minus 3 upon 5 x into x square, that is x cube, y into y square, that is y cube. This is the required solution of the given question. So in this way you can solve that type of questions. Now dear student, we take and solve some other important questions. Look, related to your topic. Now we take a question, simplify a plus b into 2a minus 3b plus c, 2a minus 3b plus c minus 2a minus 3b minus 2a minus 3b into c. This is the question here. Dear student, this is a very important question of yourself. Now let's see its solution. First of all, we write the given expressions. So first of all, given a plus b in another bracket, 2a minus 3b plus c, okay, and this is minus, right, as it is, c into this is 2a minus 3b, okay. Now we multiply these expressions. So first of all, we write a into whole expression. Look, we can expand it, a into 2a minus 3b plus c and plus b into whole, that is 2a minus 3b plus c, and we multiply with the minus 2ac minus plus 2bc, sorry, 3b into c means 3bc. We can write it in this way. Okay, dear students, now we multiplying these terms. Look, we have a multiplied this is we have 2a square plus minus this is 3 into AB, and plus plus, this is plus, this is AC. Okay, now plus B plus plus, this is plus B into 2A, that is we have 2AB plus minus, this is minus 3 into B square, that is 3B square are there, and this is plus plus, that is plus B into C, that is BC. Okay, now we write minus 2AC and plus 3BC as it is. Now after multiplying these expressions, we just separate the like terms. First of all, we find the like terms in this expression. Look, this is a square here, a square never in no any places, so a square write as it is. Okay, now look, 2a square write as it is. Now b square, the terms b square is no anywhere, so minus 3b square take in this way. Now look, this is AB and AB is there, and this is AB. So we take and AB another, no. So here we write minus 3AB and plus 2AB take together. Okay, we take together. Now AC is there and AC is there. So AC also take together. So plus AC means 1 AC and minus 2 AC take together. Now ACC take together. Now BC is there and BC is also there. So here we write plus BC and plus 3BC. So first of all, what I do? We just collecting the like terms. Now we simplify them. Look, 2a square write as it is, minus 3b square write as it is. Now this is AB, this is also AB. This is minus 3, this is plus 2. So minus 1 is left here. So minus 1 never be right. So minus AB is left only. Okay, now look here. This is plus AC. This is minus 2AC. AC is like term. So this is minus 2, that is plus 1. That is minus 1 is left. So minus never be right. So minus AC is left here. Okay, now dear friend, this is BC, this is also BC. So BC are the like terms. So 3 or 1 what? 4 BC. So here we have a 4 BC. So this is the, now look, here no any, in this expressions no any like terms are there. So in this way, this is the required solution. This is the required solution of the given question. So please just do more and more practices of that type of question. After that, you can solve each and every question. Okay, of your syllabus. Similarly, suppose that we multiply a plus 7 into b minus 5. This is very easy. We just multiply the given expression. So what I do? So we just write a into b minus 5 plus 7 into b minus 5. Now we multiplying them. So that is what a into b, that is AB, this is minus 5a plus, this is plus plus, this is plus 7 into b, that is 7b, and plus minus minus 7 5 are 35. Now we have what? AB. Okay, no any like terms in that expression, so we just write in this way AB, okay, minus 5a plus 7b minus 35. So this is the required solution, dear student. Because of why? Because of no any like terms are there, because of we add only the like terms. So in this way you can solve the question based on multiplication, addition and subtraction of the algebraic expressions. Okay, now we take and solve some other important questions based on this topic. Let's see. take a very important question, and your question is multiply x minus y and 3x plus 5. Multiply x minus y and 3x plus 5y. Now look. So now let's see solution. So first of all, we can write it this way. We just multiply them to multiply by 3x plus 5y. Okay. Now look what I do. Now look there. First of all, we can write x into whole expressions minus y into whole expression. Look. So first of all, we can write x into 3x plus 5y minus y into whole means 3x plus 5y. Now we simplify them. Look, first of all we multiply x in 3x and 5y. So if we multiply x in 3x, so we have 3x square plus this is plus 5x into y, that is 5xy. Okay, now similarly we multiply minus y in these terms, so minus plus this is minus 3xy minus plus that is minus 5y into y, that is y square, this is 5y square. Now look here, dear friend, here xy, these are the like terms, so we can subtract or add. So look, so we have 3x square, this is plus 5xy, this is minus 3xy, so we have plus 2xy no? And minus 5y square like as it is. So 3x square plus 2xy minus 5y square, this is the required solution of the given question. This is the required solution of the given question. Okay, in this way, dear student, you can solve that type of question. This is one of the most important questions of your syllabus. Now we take and solve some other important question. And the question is simplify a square plus 5 into b square plus 3 b cube plus 3 plus 5. Look, this is the question here. This one we simplify the given expression. So let's see its solution. So first of all we have a square plus 5 into b cube plus 3 plus 5. So we first of all we write as in this way, a square into whole means a square into b cube plus 3, okay, and plus 5 into b cube plus 3 and plus 5 right as it is, plus 5 right as it is. Now we multiply them. So we have a square into b cube, that is we have a square b cube right, plus that is plus 3a square. Now this is plus 5 into b cube, that is 5b cube, and plus that is plus 5 3 the 15 years. 5 3 the what? 15, and this is plus 5 now, and plus 5 right as it is. Now we have, look here 15 and 5, these are the like terms These are the like term which are both are constant, so we adding them. We have a square b cube plus 3a square plus 5b cube plus that is 20. This is the required solution of the given question. So in this way, student, you can solve that type of question. Okay. Now we take and solve some other important question based on these topics. Let's see. Now look, we take a very important questions, and the question is simplify dear students, p square minus q square multiplied by 2p plus q. P square minus q square multiplied by 2p plus q. Now let's see its solution. First of all, we write given expression q square into 2p plus q. So now we can write as, first of all, we write in this way. First of all, we write p square into whole expression, that is p square into 2p plus q, and now minus q square into 2p plus q. So first of all, we write the given expressions in this format. Now p square into 2p, that is what? 2p square into p, that is p cube, 2p cube, plus that is plus p square into q. This is p square into q. Okay. This is p square into 2p, that is 2p cube, and now this is p square q. Now minus plus, this is minus 2pq square, and minus plus minus, this is q square into q, that is q cube. Now look, no any like terms are there because of this is 2p cube, this is q cube. So we take together, we write in this way, or 2p cube minus q cube, and this is p square cube, that is p q square. It is right as it is. So plus this is p square cube and minus that is 2p q square. This is the required solution of the given questions. Okay, so in this way, dear student, you can solve that type of question. Okay, so this is one of the most important questions. First of all, we have the given expressions, and after that we can write p square into whole expression minus q square into whole expressions, and after simplify them we have this result. And in that terms there are no any like terms are there, so we never we add or subtract these options. Okay, so in this way, please do more and more practices and do complete your syllabus exercise. Thus, dear student, in this way, in today's class, we take and solve a very important chapter topic of your syllabus. Now in next class we take and solve some other important chapter related to that chapter. Okay. Okay. Now thanks to all.